Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing you another day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on AVAX. Bitcoin is having a nice little pump to the upside. As you can see, the daily candle is in the greens as of right now. But what does it mean for Bitcoin in the near term? Let's look at the chart. So Bitcoin is pumping to the upside, but we are still in our market maker structure. We had a double top formation, first leg down, first leg up, second leg down. We are currently waiting for the drop to the downside, recovering some of the volume candles right here to the left at around 22 to 20.5k is the next target, possibly to the downside. We'll have a retrace as that happens, and then we'll have the third and final leg down. We have a big volume candle cluster right here down to 17.6k. We could go all the way down there. That is a possibility because volume candles get recovered on every time frame, and yeah, this pretty big volume candles to the downside and a lot of open orders in that area which hasn't been recovered yet. So keep that in mind and trade safely. Not financial advice, you do whatever you want to do, but if you're still in your shorts, you could ride out in two more legs to the downside before you take profits, or you could take profits in the next leg down if you want to play it safe. We have a couple of volume candles above as well. 28.5k is the next target. I was expecting that we would recover all of the volume candle to the left right here, as you can see, up to 28.5k. We didn't go there, we went to 28.1k. We could still go there and drop to the downside after that. So keep that in mind. If you aren't in any trades and considering shorts, wait for the break of this low right here at 24.895. Break that, you could see this volume candle getting recovered down to 22k at least. Not financial advice. Looking at the news events for this week, today we don't have much going on. Tomorrow, however, we have Jerome Powell speaking, so we'll see what he says. Could shock the market if he says something crazy. I don't think he's gonna do that. It's gonna be a pretty slow press conference. So yeah, not much going on. And on Friday we have the core PC index, which could send the market if it's anything else than 0.2%. Looking at the liquidation map, we can see a lot of money has been removed. As you can see, not much liquidity to the upside or to the downside, which means that people have been clearing their books. We still have a cluster at 20k and a cluster at 18k. So yeah, still more money to the downside than to the upside, but a lot of people have closed their trades basically, and we see the chart looking like this. So not much to say about that. Let's take a look at AVAX. Looking at AVAX, we see that it's in a discount, in my opinion, because we've been dropping almost every day since July 16th this year, almost going in a straight line to the downside. We are currently in a retrace, and if we zoom out a bit, we can see where we are in the market maker structure. We formed this double top formation, first leg down, first retrace. We performed possibly our second leg down, and we're waiting for a second retrace before we have the last and final drop to the downside. I don't see many volume candles to the downside in the near term. The closest one to the downside is at all the way down to $4, 4.21. So we could see a drop all the way down there before we have a retrace to the upside again, or a markup phase, sorry. That is a possibility, so keep that in mind. If Bitcoin drops to 17k, where the volume candle resides, we could see a $4 AVAX. And what an opportunity if that happens. I hope it happens at least. So we'll see. But unfortunately, we have more downside to go if you are holding and expecting profits. We will see a retrace, however, to the upside. We have the closest volume candle up to $9.7. Break that, we could go to 10. Break that. Next target is to $12. That is where the party is gonna end, possibly. If we go there, we could go even as close to as $9.8. So keep that in mind when trading, and yeah, wait for the retrace to finish, and then we'll have a beautiful markup phase, in my opinion. Not financial advice, this is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So make of this what you want. We'll see each other next time. Big boss out.